Hello students, this is ISI MSQE 2019 solution. Mostly this time we will be doing the mathematics portion. So for what values of A are the vectors 0, 1 alpha, 0, 1 A, A1, 0 and 1 A1 in RQ are linearly dependent. So for linear dependency, let's form the matrix A1, 0, 1 A1. Okay, so this is 0, so minus A plus A into A square minus 1. So this is A cube minus 2A. So vectors are linearly dependent, so this will be equal to 0. So A equal to 0 or A equal to plus minus root 2. So 0 is the one possible answer where we can get here. Next, 17. Which of the following set of vectors form a basis in R square? Which of the following forms a basis? A basis of a vector space is a set of like linearly independent that span the entire vector. So span the entire vector. Okay. So also all bases have the same number of vectors, so which is known as the dimension of the vector space. So since dimension of R square, if we take, that is 2, so we know that there must be 2 vectors in any of the bases. So among the second and fourth option, these two are impossible. So among the second and fourth option, you need to choose any one. Vectors in the second one are linearly dependent. Why? 1 1 and 2 1 1. So linear dependency is there, but 1 1 2 3 can't represent. So D is the answer. Next question. If a candidate is good, he is selected in MSQE examination with the probability 0.9. If a candidate is bad, he is selected in the MSQE examination with the 0.2 still. Suppose that every candidate is equally likely to be good or bad. So if you meet a candidate who is selected in MSQE, what is the probability that he is good? So Bayes theorem, so probability of G given MSQE, good given MSQE. So that is probability of MS given G into probability of G divided by MS given G probability of G plus probability of MS given bad into probability of bad. Okay, so now you can put these values. So MSQE examination, so candidate, he is selected in the MSQE examination, a good candidate. So PG is 0.9. No, sorry. MS given G is 0.9. And a bad candidate, so P MS given B is 0.2, and it is equally likely to be good and bad, so these both are half, so these are gone, so we left out with this only. So this is 0.9 divided by 0.9 plus 0.2, 9 by 11. So option number C is correct.